Welcome back to FreshCo Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Where nature meets architecture, core ideas for a French garden oasis. The classic French garden, or Jardin à la française, is a stunning achievement in landscape design where the natural world is elegantly structured by architectural principles. This style, perfected by André Le Notre at Vaux-le-Vicomte in Versailles, doesn't seek to mimic wild nature, but to refine it into a living geometric masterpiece. It transforms outdoor space into a series of orderly, open-air rooms, creating a seamless extension of the home's architecture. The result is a harmonious oasis that feels both grand and serene, demonstrating a perfect balance between human ingenuity and the beauty of the cultivated earth. This approach is fundamentally about imposing a logical, pleasing order upon the landscape. Ultimately, it is a garden designed to impress not just with its beauty, but with its intellect and powerful sense of control. The absolute foundation of any French garden is a powerful, unbroken central axis that draws the eye toward the horizon. This main line, often extending directly from the residence, creates an immediate sense of order, balance, and immense scale. Every single element in the garden is then arranged symmetrically on either side of this line, reinforcing the feeling of a meticulously planned environment. This axis is frequently emphasized by a central path, a stretch of lawn, or a long canal that acts as the garden's spine. This rigid symmetry is not just aesthetic. It conveys a sense of stability, permanence, and calm authority. It is the primary architectural gesture that organizes the entire landscape. At the heart of the garden, near the residence, you will find the parterre de broderie, intricate, low-lying planting beds that resemble embroidered patterns. These elaborate designs, created with clipped boxwood, colored gravel, and seasonal flowers, are meant to be viewed from above, like a living tapestry. The geometric shapes, squares, circles, and scrolls, further reinforce the architectural nature of the design, acting as a floral floor for the outdoor space. This use of pattern transforms the flat ground plane into a dynamic and artistic feature. It is a clear declaration that every inch of this landscape has been thoughtfully composed. The parterre is the ultimate expression of nature being artfully disciplined. To give the garden its form and structure year-round, evergreen elements are used as architectural features. Precisely clipped hedges, often of boxwood or yew, act as walls to define the garden's rooms and corridors. These are complemented by tall, sculptural trees, frequently linden or hornbeam, which are planted in strict grids to create alleys or are shaped into solid, towering walls. This green architecture provides a permanent skeleton for the garden, ensuring it remains visually compelling even in the depths of winter. The meticulous pruning and training of this greenery is a continuous project in maintaining the garden's intended form. It is this solid evergreen framework that makes the garden feel like a true outdoor building.